2017, I experienced the lowest point of my life. I got laid off from my plush tech job, and I really was lost. A good job at a Fortune 500 company was the goal of my life, and it was a picture that my parents painted for me since I was a little girl. And when I got laid off, I really had no direction. I really wasn't sure if I should be looking for another job, but I decided I'm not going back to corporate. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how I did that and why I'm not going back. I'm Lisa Covington. I've been flipping houses for almost 9 years, and I've done over 100 projects. And on this channel, we talk about all things house flipping and also the business side of real estate investing. And if that's something you're into, subscribe to the channel and like this video. So in terms of the how, you need to get laid off. Just kidding. You don't have to get laid off in order to leave corporate. Sometimes you just need a big push. That was me. At that time, I was already flipping my first house. I really was enjoying it. At that time, I've already been working at my company for 7 years, and I never felt the same kind of enthusiasm with my job, what I do flipping houses. I just really enjoy the process. I love picking out finished materials. I love designing the interior, and I really love the numbers. Before I was even laid off, I was so bored at my job. I didn't know where my career was going because I wasn't really motivated to become where my boss was, because it just meant more responsibilities, more hours, a little bit more pay, which is not really proportional. I was doing this career search, and then I realized the power of real estate investing, from owning rental properties, from purchasing my first home and doing house hacking. And then I decided to start flipping houses because I just enjoyed the home renovation process on my rental property and my first home. I realized that it's actually a career to purchase fixer-uppers, put in work and time into it, make it a beautiful home where you can get a good profit. So that leads to the first step. Once you know the direction, you just need to make a plan and go all in on it. So for me, that was to spend a lot of time to educate myself, because I didn't really have a lot of construction background or real estate background in general. I just started listening to podcasts. I went to a lot of real estate meetings. I surrounded myself with like-minded people. That was really crucial because that inspired me so much and motivated me. Every time I went to a real estate meeting, I felt like I got so pumped up. I just wanted to do more so that I could be where the speakers are and I could be more experienced and I can share my experience with people along the way. The second step, not just build a job for myself, but to build a business, because I know that when I was stuck in my corporate job, I really hated it because I didn't have any freedom. I didn't have any control of my own time or my own life. When I was building my house flipping business, I didn't want it to be the same. I wanted to be something where I have full control of, where I can have the freedom of taking a vacation and spending time with my future kids. I became a mom a few years after I started my house flipping business, and I really feel blessed that because I'm a business owner, I could go to her school for Parents' Day and I could take her to the park whenever she wanted. And that's just the power of real estate investing and the power of being a business owner and your own boss. When people think about house flipping, they think about doing stuff DIY. They think about replacing the floors by themselves, ripping out kitchen by themselves. I tried it, but I almost ripped my hair out. I almost broke up with my then boyfriend, now husband, because it's so much work and so much stress, and it's really not worth it. I realized that I'm not a contractor and I can't be good at everything. So I decided to build my own team instead of doing it on my own. And that's a game changer. Since building my team and my system, I was able to flip over 100 projects, and that was my best year ever. And we were still averaging profit of 6 figures. But that's not the reason why I would never go back to corporate. The real reason is the freedom, the time freedom, and the freedom of being able to spend time with my loved ones anytime I want and having full control of my own life. Since starting this business, I've been able to travel with my parents, building my own dream home, and traveling with my kid and spending quality time time with them, creating new experiences. That's what it's all about. If this sounds like something you like to create for yourself, I'd love to have you join my community, Transform Flipper Academy. Check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. YouTube thinks you're gonna want to watch this video next. Tap to watch it. Go!